Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be trying out the stamping plate KADS Christmas 035. Now let's peel off the blue protective film. Now that we've seen a closer look at the stamping plate, let's proceed on stamping. I'll be doing tons of reverse stamping, so I hope you guys enjoy watching the process. If you want to try out this stamping plate, the link is available on the description box below, and don't forget to use my 10% discount coupon code KADS honeycrunch321. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!